What we use with the alcohol ink is blending solution to make the colours flow. Many people use isopropanol. It's a 91% alcohol disinfectant. It works just as well as blending solution, although it does tend to dilute the colours. The alcohol blending solution has a touch of glycerine and it's specially formulated by Ranger chemists to use with the Ranger alcohol ink. Because it's got glycerine in, the colours stay shiny on the paper. This was made here with the isopropanol, and you get a matte finish. When you're using layered colours, if you use the isopropanol on top, it pushes the colours away through your depth of colours, and you get a white background. So you need to build up your colours. It does clump the pigment a little bit. It doesn't flow as well on the paper, but you still get a lovely effect with it. I'm going to show you a trick. We're not going to use the alcohol lift ink. We're going to use a stamp cleaner. This is Vaessen Creative, our own make stamp cleaner. This I've just done very quickly, just to let you see. You spray directly the stamp cleaner onto your clear stamp. Just dry it off a little bit on the plastic, the acrylic block, and then we do that directly on the paper. Give it a little wiggle. Now you can see that it's beginning to lift off the alcohol ink from the Yupo paper, and then we give it a little dab with some kitchen roll. And you can take the ink off and use stamps on top of your alcohol ink. You can use any stamp cleaner, it does work. We don't advise that you transfer alcohol blending solution or the isopropanol or alcohol ink into a spray bottle. You do not want these chemicals airborne. It's bad if you breathe them in. So please leave them in the original bottles and be very careful. Thanks for watching the video today. If you would like to leave any comments in the box, please do. If you have any questions and would like any further information, please follow us on social media. And if you'd like to watch more of our videos, please click on the left and watch our videos. They're very informative. Bye!